lead the prayer in sitting on the chair. The Prophet ﷺ led the salah and he was sitting. The Prophet ﷺ led the salah and he was sitting. And he told the companions, sit down, don't stand up. Before starting the salah, the Prophet ﷺ had a problem in his leg or his feet. So he was sitting down. But before takbir, he noticed the companions standing. So he told them, you should sit down. I am sitting, so you should follow me. Okay. So from this hadith, it is allowed to follow the imam who is sitting down in his positions. Of course, there are rules about that. He should be the imam. Okay, the Prophet ﷺ was the imam, the main imam of the masjid. And is it compulsory to sit down with him, or we should, or it is optional? Okay, different opinions. Why? Because there is another hadith that the Prophet ﷺ was in a sitting position and the companions were standing up. So some scholars said, if the imam of the masjid has a problem in his leg, so he started the salah in a sitting position, then we should sit down. But if the imam started the salah standing position, so we are standing, then during the salah he had a problem in his leg. Okay, then he sat down. Then we tell the people who are behind him, no need to sit down. We should continue while standing position.